guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a very exciting fun video for some of us. This is going to be my Nespresso unboxing and haul. If you want to see how I have upgraded my coffee experience, please keep watching. Okay guys, so before I start this video, I have to shout a few people out because if you follow me on Instagram and if you watch the weekly vlogs or if you know me in real life, you know that I have been vacillating about getting an espresso ever since my girl Happy Stylish Mommy first got hers. I think maybe around March. And you guys know that's my girl. I love her. So anything she says is amazing. I believe it. During that same time, I started having problems with my Keurig. My Keurig is probably like 3 years old. So I was wondering, should I get one? Should I not? Because I have a Keurig. It broke, but I was able to fix it. But I was just like, maybe I should upgrade. Let me upgrade to automatic. Anyway, I thought maybe I should upgrade my coffee experience. I stayed at a hotel last year in like an amazing suite and they had an espresso and I had the coffee and it was amazing. So I always remembered that. I don't even think I knew it was an espresso until I started looking into the brand and I saw the capsule and I was like, oh, it's an espresso. So after my girl Happy Stylish Mommy started raving about her Nespresso and then all my girls on Instagram, I was like, okay, I might need one. So Bloomingdales had a sale. If their sale is still on, I will link that page down below for you guys. So I was able, I think I saved like 40 to 60% on this. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll be sure to put the price I paid down below with the original price as well. But I wanted to thank Happy Stylish Mommy, my girl Roya Felder here on YouTube as well, my girl Sabrina, Victoria, and also my girl The Chic Nurse Life. All of those ladies have either talked about their Nespresso, reviewed them, but they have all greatly contributed to the fact that now I own this Nespresso. So let's get right into it. I want to tell you guys the model that I got. I purchased my machine from Bloomingdales because they were having an amazing sale and then they had like an additional 25% off. So it was a no-brainer for me to get this machine. I purchased the Nespresso Vertuo single by Breville and I paid $119.99. I want to show you guys my Nespresso machine. This is what she looks like. And I do want to tell you guys a little about why I chose the machine that I did choose. So if you see it, and I will unbox it, it is a little different than the ones that I have seen my friends on YouTube and Instagram talk about. The main difference that I could see in this one was that it has a chrome top and also the water canister and the capsule like holder are side by side with the actual machine. I think the one that my girl Happy Stylish Mommy has, and I think the ones that most of my girls have, they have like a separate container for the water. And you guys, I have this thing for small appliances. I love them. So I have too many things on my countertop. So the reason why I went for this machine was because I just felt like it was a little more compact. Now I also didn't decide to get the one that has the Arrachino, which I believe is just their version of a milk frother. Once again, because I just don't like my counters to be cluttered. So I wanted a milk frother that was handheld. So I just picked one up off of Target. Shout out to my girl Sabrina because she recommended one and I'm obsessed. I will link that down below. But let's get into our Nespresso, you guys. Now, I've already had a cup of coffee this morning, so I'm gonna have 2 cups in one day. This never happens, so hopefully I don't like go overboard because I have work to do today. So in here, I have a like little welcome kit. It says Discover, and I have $10 off my first coffee order of 50 plus capsules. And then on my 3rd order, I have a welcome gift. So this kind of just describes in detail the different espressos and coffees by intensity, decaffeinated, flavored, everything like that. So I'm super excited about that. This is my instruction manual, all about my machine. So let's pull this baby out. Oh wow. So this is 11 capsules? Huh, I didn't know I was getting that. Oh, she is sexy. She's a sexy mamacita. Wow, okay, so let me show you what the machine actually looks like. She's actually very compact. So this is like how wide she is. She is about half, no, she's probably the width of my Keurig, but definitely shorter. I love the chrome finish on top. I just wanted something a little different because most of the small appliances in my kitchen are actually black, so I figured chrome would be something different. Let's get into whatever this is. I didn't know that it came with anything. Ooh, so this is showing me once again just all the different varieties of coffee and espresso. I did not know this was coming with anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, did they just give me all of this? Like, are these real? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. So I get to experience all their different types of coffee and some espresso. Wow, I'm super, super excited about this. So that's basically my actual coffee machine. But now I wanna show you guys the additional coffee that I did buy because I didn't know that it was gonna come with like a welcome pack. Like this totally surprised me, as you guys see. Like I said, I bought my machine from Bloomingdales and I am a loyalist member, which is like their rewards program. So I think because my purchase was over $100, I got a free $25 rewards gift card. So I used that to purchase some Nespresso capsules. I got a set and I'll put the name across the screen, but it's basically like their medium roast blend variety, and it comes with 4 different 10 packs. So I got the vanilla custard pie, which I'm super excited to try because I love vanilla. I also got another vanilla custard pie, and I think this set sells for like 44 bucks, but I got it for about 20. A hazelino muffin. And the last one is caramel cookie. Caramel cookie, hazelino muffin, and vanilla custard pie. So those are the 4 I got from Bloomingdales. One of the things that actually made me hesitate about buying an espresso was the fact that I wouldn't be able to go to my local Kroger or Publix and pick up capsules. And it's really been convenient for me to head to my local Kroger and buy my K-cups there. So that was one of the things that really kind of discouraged me from getting an espresso. Also because they seem to be a little more expensive than the K-cup varieties. But when I did all the math, because I'm a nerd, it's really not too much more expensive. Also because I really only have 1 cup of coffee a day, and on the weekends, depending on what I'm doing, if I'm working, I might not even have coffee at all. So the next order I placed was on Nespresso's actual website because I wanted to make sure that my first experience trying out this machine, I could taste a different variety of coffee. So the first coffee that I got is the Iced Leggero, and I think this is like their medium blend iced coffee. I'm not too much into iced coffee, but it is super, super hot where I live, so I figured I would try that out. The next one I got is the Altissio, and this is actually espresso. I want to say this is like a medium blend. Let's see. It's actually a 9 intensity, so it's not too medium, but we'll see how that is. I usually don't drink espresso, but I just wanted to try one of them. And I also got Bianco Leggero. I want to say this is like some biscuit type of flavor. I also got a sample of coffee with my order. I think you get a sample with every order. So I have 2 iced Leggeros, and this is just their iced coffee, just like the ones that I purchased. And the last thing I purchased, because if you don't know, like if you don't watch my videos, I don't like paying for shipping. So I had to make my order equal $35 so that I wouldn't pay for shipping. So I figured I would just get the descaling kit, because the problem with my Keurig was that I have not descaled it ever. So don't be like me, don't not descale your machines, especially when you're investing hundreds of dollars in a small appliance. You really wanna make sure you're taking care of it. Also, I got 2 recycle bags with my order. Now, I don't know much about their like recycling system, but I do know that everybody I watch, they always recycle their capsules. So I also want to do my part to save the environment. So let me set up my machine and let's brew a cup of coffee. I'm so excited.
Audible 2456. Audible 2456.
So let's do a taste test of my first espresso. This is what it looks like. Super, super strong. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So that was the Bianco Leggero. Now with this machine, after you're finished using it, you would open it, and then the pod goes in the back and it goes into this canister on the side. So I like that everything is super, super compact, all in one place. And when I am ready to use my milk frother, this is the one that I was talking about earlier. So one last thing I wanted to see is whether or not the Nespresso capsules will actually fit in the drawer that I have for my K-cups, because if not, I will actually have to buy a new one. They don't fit. Well, I could do like one on one side. Let's see. Yeah, they don't really fit. So I'm gonna have to get a new capsule holder, and I will link the one that I do end up buying down below. So if you guys are looking for one, you can check that out. Also, I just love how slim the design is. The actual K-cup holder is bigger than the machine, so I like that. It's very sleek and it's minimalistic, even though, you know, it's kind of flashy, but it definitely doesn't take up a bunch of space on my counter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful just to know a little bit about why I picked the actual machine that I did end up going with, and to know a little bit about my coffee and espresso selection. So I will be doing a probably 2 or 3 month follow-up on my Nespresso machine, just to tell you how it's going for me, which are my favorite pods, so on and so forth. Like I said, I will link everything I talked about down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finish my espresso, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.